Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable autoplay videos on Twitter. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable autoplay videos on Twitter, go to your browser and browse x.com. On left pane, click on More option and then click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, click on Accessibility, Display and Languages, and here you will find Data Uses. Click on Data Uses, and here please note Data Saver will be turned off, and click on Autoplay. And now Never is selected, that means autoplay is disabled. Just click on cellular or Wi-Fi. Now autoplay videos is turned on in my Twitter. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.